Are you ready to unlock the magic of your new iPhone? Let's dive into the seamless journey of transferring everything from your old iPhone to your new one. First, turn on both your current and new iPhone, placing them side by side. The magic begins here. On your new iPhone, swipe up to open and a list of languages appears. Hold on, don't select anything just yet. Grab your current iPhone and tap. Continue in Setup New iPhone. The connection between the two devices starts to form. An animation appears on your new iPhone. Hold your current iPhone over it, centering the animation in the circle on your screen. Tap Setup for Me on your current iPhone and enter your passcode on the new one. Quick Start takes over, setting up your new device. Keep both devices close together as your information transfers. Patience is key here. On your new iPhone, review the data and privacy screen and tap Continue. The transfer process is almost complete. Wait for the transfer data screen to appear and tap Continue. Your Apple account is now being set up on your new iPhone. Finally, review the terms and conditions. Tap Agree and watch as your new iPhone comes to life with all your settings and data.